Operation Sindoor forced Pakistan to plead for the termination of war. This was declared by Indian Air Force Chief at a press briefing in New Delhi on Friday. Air Chief Marshal A.P. Singh confirmed that Pakistan lost at least 4 to 5 fighter jets in the counter-terror attack by India. And the Indian Air Force is celebrating its 93rd Foundation Day on October 8th. The press briefing was held to mark that occasion. Vishal Baristo reports.
From the Red Quarters, ladies and gentlemen.
Indian Air Force Chief Air Chief Marshal A.P. Singh lauded Operation Sindoor, stating it was a conflict that achieved its objectives with speed and precision and brought Pakistan to its knees. He elaborated that 4 to 5 Pakistani fighter jets were struck down along with one long-range strike on an airborne warning and control system, radars at least 4 places, command and control centers at 2 places, and runways damaged at 2 places. Along with this, 3 hangars and 1 surface-to-air missile system were also destroyed.
These are strikes. There have been radars at least 4 places, command and control centers at 2 places, runway, of course, damaged at 2 places. Then 3 of their hangars in 3 different stations have been damaged. And in that hangar, as well as on tarmac, we have signs of one C-130 class of aircraft, one AEW&C class of aircraft, and at least 4 to 5 fighter aircraft, most likely F-16, because that base happened to be F-16, which would have been under maintenance that time. Along with that, one SAM system, which has been destroyed. And so these are the strikes that, the destruction that has taken place on ground by our strikes.
He confirmed that India's newly inducted long-range surface-to-air missiles were a crucial factor, achieving a kill at a distance of over 300 kilometers inside Pakistani territory. He rejected Pakistan's claims of shooting down Indian jets as Manohar Kahaniyan or fanciful tales. The Air Force Chief stressed the urgent need to bolster fighter jet fleet, indicating that acquisition options like French Rafale or Russia's Sukhoi 57 will be considered through a strict process, with a preference for models offering the best Make in India possibilities.
I just want to say is that we have to weigh all the options, and we in Defense Ministry and in Indian Air Force, we have a very set process of induction of any weapon system, and that process will be followed. So what comes will depend on what meets the requirement and what is the best for us.
The Air Force Chief highlighted the tri-services synergy during the operation, with all 3 services working together. Speaking on future readiness and self-reliance, the Air Chief Marshal underlined that Indian Air Force has drawn up a roadmap 2047 to enhance combat capabilities.
Infallible, impervious and precise. With this motto, the Indian Air Force has a clear message for all the enemies of the country that our fighter jets and all our striking force are ready to strike anywhere, anytime. With cameraman Anil Thakur in Delhi, this is Vishal Baristo for DD India.